Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and today we are doing another food review. So stick around, check it out. Alright, so this time we are doing the Alpine Aire foods versus the Mountain House Adventure Meals. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so we are camping at Blue Springs State Park for 2 days. So we have 2 nights to test each competitor and see which one is the best. Alright, so we did a food review on the Mountain House Adventure Meals, and it was the beef stew one. But this one is lasagna with meat sauce, so this one will be interesting. And the Alpine Aire one is mountain chili, so that will be another interesting one to taste. So the first competitor is the Alpine Aire food, the mountain chili one, because I've already had this one before, so I want to do the new one tonight, see how it is. So this one is actually a vegetarian one. It's gluten-free as well. It's got 44 grams of protein, 580 calories. Just add water. So this one says mountain chili, a savory blend of pinto beans, vegetable protein, freeze-dried corn, mushrooms, bell peppers, and select spices. So let's turn around the back and see what those extra spices are. So on the back it says ingredients: pinto beans, soy flour, textured vegetable protein, tomato powder, cornmeal, chili pepper, spices, salt, garlic, sweet corn, sea salt, bell pepper, red and green, combo, white onion, mushrooms, garlic, cumin, oregano, and basil. Sounds pretty good. Also on the top it says, when choosing gear for your adventures, you look for a quality product and a name you can trust. When it comes to food, you seek great tasting and nutritious ingredients that will sustain you. At Alpine Aire Foods, our passion for food is only exceeded by our thirst for adventure. Since 1979, we have been dedicated to working with only the finest ingredients to deliver convenient, great-tasting, nutritious meals with the emphasis on equality combined with the care that goes into every one of our products. You can count on Alpine Aire Foods to fuel your next adventure. Sounds great. Alright, so it's convenient, versatile, lightweight, long shelf life, food for every palate. Let's see, when does this one expire? This one actually expires in 2026, so this one has got this beat on expiration date. Let me see which one this one. Yeah, this one says 2052. So these last longer than these. Which is interesting. It's got 29 calories. It's 2 servings per container, but you know we're going to eat all of it. Because I've been setting camp up all day. I'm tired. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. My head's hurting because I'm hungry. All right. So for this one, it says open pouch and remove oxygen absorber. Prepare in pouch and other sustainable container. I guess it says important to note something else. Add 2 cups, 16 ounces boiling water to ingredients, or fold, crease a fill pouch to easy fill line. I guess there's an easy fill line on here. I'm just going to put 2 cups of water in it. It says stir thoroughly, then seal pouch or cover. Let stand for 10 to 12 minutes. So the difference between this one and this one is you stir, wait 5 minutes, then you stir again and let it sit for 4 minutes. That's the difference between these two. So I am not going to bore you on how to prepare these. If you want to see how to prepare, especially this one, you can go to the review video that we did on that one. We did the review video on the beef stew and the breakfast skillet, so you can check that out on how to do it. So I'm going to get the water boiling and prepared to get this one going. So I'll show you what it looks like real quick. This one smells really good. It smells, I don't know how to explain it. It smells like chili. It smells like chili. Let me take the little pouch out so you can look in there. Alright, so that's what it looks like in there. You can see. Alright, so I'm gonna fill it back up. Alright, so I'm gonna put 2 cups of water in my little teapot. I'm gonna put the burner on it and let it sit and let the water boil. And we'll come back when it's ready to be eaten. Alright guys, it is ready to eat. Ooh, it smells good. Look at it. You can see inside of it. Yeah, so that out of the way. So I'm gonna stir it up a little bit before I taste test it. Handy dandy utensils. Alright, got my spoon. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. When I put the water in it, I thought it was gonna be a lot, like too much, but that water's gone. We can see it steaming. Alright. Alright, so that's what it looks like. You can see. It looks really grainy. It kind of looks like oatmeal, like an oatmeal chili. Alright. It's pretty good. These white pieces, I'm not 100% sure about that. It's got a weird texture to it. But the beans and corn taste good. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright, so I'll give this one about a 8 out of 10 stars. The reason 8 is because that white stuff in there, it's like grainy looking, and it tastes weird. Like it doesn't have a taste, but the texture of it tastes weird. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna finish eating this, and then tomorrow we're gonna try the lasagna one with the mountain one, the mountain food. I think I put it back up. But we'll try that one tomorrow. See how it does. Alright guys, so it is almost, let me see, 6:46. So it's time for dinner. But I am actually going to do the taste test inside my tent because it's raining, if you can hear. We've been having storms all afternoon. So the next challenger is the Mountain House Adventure Meal meat lasagna with meat sauce. So it has this is with a cheesy Italian style tomato sauce and beef freeze dried. I had their beef stew one and it was pretty good. It was pretty good. I can't decide if it was better or worse than the one that we had yesterday, the mountain chili. I did eat all that last night in a span of maybe 4 hours. I ate probably about half of it, and then as I was sitting there watching the fire, I would nibble on it. Not watch the fire, nibble on it, watch on the fire, because there's 2 servings in it. So let's get to know our next competitor a little better. Alright, so we have the Mountain House Adventure Meals. It is lasagna with meat sauce with a cheesy Italian style tomato sauce and beef freeze dried. 2 servings, 11 grams of protein. Just add water, ready in 10 minutes. Alright, let's see what is in this. Ingredients. A whole bunch I cannot say. It says enriched macaroni, and it talks what the macaroni is made out of. Sauce. The sauce has beef, tomato paste, blended of Parmesan, mozzarella cheese, seasonings. It has sea salt, basil, rosemary, garlic, oregano, black pepper, sunflower oil, parsley. It's got tomatoes, and corn,
cornstarch and cane sugar that contains milk and wheat. Hopefully this doesn't tear my stomach up. It shouldn't. I haven't had anything, like, I haven't had any dairy in a while. Alright, so how to prepare this. It says you tear open the package, take the oxygen absorber out, and you put 1.5 cups of boiling water, stir carefully and close zipper, wait 5 minutes, stir again and release, and then stand for 4 minutes. But yeah, yesterday we discovered that this expires in 2052. The mountain chili one, that expired in like 2026. So this one lasts longer. So this one, that one beat on the shelf life on it. But yeah, so I'm, instead of, like I said yesterday, I'm not going to bore you with making the packet like I did in the first review on this brand. So I am going to go get it all ready. Alright, so I have it opened up. Let's see what it looks like. It smells like pasta, like spaghetti. The inside kind of looks like dog treats. It don't smell like dog treats, but it kind of looks like dog treats. Let me see, you can see it kind of, it looks like something you would just grab in there and throw at the dog. But I'm gonna get the water boiling, and put it in there, see how it tastes. Alright, the rain's picked up and the lasagna is ready, so let's taste test it. Alright, it smells like pasta and lasagna. That's what it looks like. It's a little soupy, but that's my fault. Because when I did the breakfast skillet, and I think it said it was like 1 1/4 cup, some of the stuff wasn't done all the way. So like with the one last night and this one, I added like a small cup of water, like a 1/4 cup. And that's what I put in this one, and it made it a little watery, but hey, I mean, it's lasagna. I think it'll be all right. All right, this is a little hard to do since I'm inside on my blow-up mattress trying this instead of sitting nice and perfectly on the picnic table. I'll try not to spill it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like Chef Boyardee. It doesn't smell like Chef Boyardee, but it kind of looks like it. Here we go. Pretty good. Pretty good. I like this one a lot. Like, I'm trying to taste it. I mean, like, it tastes like your typical pasta sauce. I kind of taste a hint of the cheese in there. The meat's pretty good. It's all the way cooked, unlike the breakfast skillet was. The pasta noodles are alright. I mean, they're pasta noodles, but yeah, overall, I mean, this one's pretty good. I like this one a lot better than the mountain chili. Because the mountain chili one, it looked like oatmeal, and it had those weird white oatmeal looking bits, and they didn't really have a taste, but the texture was what threw me off. But I give this one a 10 out of 10. The Mountain House ones, yeah, they're a little more expensive. I don't know if I mentioned that. The Mountain House ones at Bass Pro were $11 and some change. The other one, the Alpine, the one that I had yesterday, I can't remember the name of it. It was like only like $8 at Bass Pro. I think these are also $11 at Walmart. But you can't get the other one at Walmart. You can only get that one at Bass Pro. Man, it is really raining. But yeah, I think what it boils down to is I like the Mountain House ones a lot. They're really good. I might try another one of the other brand. to really see, you know, get a different one and see if it's any different. But I think they're set up to be more healthier, if that makes sense. I mean, these are healthy, but the other one, they had the mountain chili. It was vegetarian, so I think they're more healthier, meaning they use different ingredients to make it healthier. Like that the white oatmeal looking pieces in it yesterday. It didn't have a flavor, but like I said, I didn't like the texture. But yeah, if you are in the market of looking for some of these for your next camping trip, go with the Mountain House ones. I think you'll like them better. But if you're looking for a more healthy, like granola healthy life choice kind of meal, then go with the other one. But yeah, I mean, but they're both good. I mean, they're both edible. They're both, I mean, I'd eat them. All right, so this is not the end of the video. I have a surprise for y'all in the morning. So we'll see you then. Good morning, guys. So here is my bonus surprise. So when I did the review and I tried the breakfast skillet, it was not my favorite. Like, it was, I ate it, but it wasn't cooked all the way, and to me it didn't have any flavor, and I didn't like the onions in it, because I don't really like onions in the morning. That's like anyway, so I'm actually going to give the breakfast ones another chance with the biscuits and gravy one. I'm not a biscuits and gravy person, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I got it made. Check it out. Looks like that. It's kind of like on the consistency of biscuits and gravy. Alright, so we'll try it out. So it's like that. Alright. It's pretty good. It tastes like biscuits and gravy. Like, the gravy is really thick. It's like really, really consistent. There's sausage in it. Yeah. Oh. There was some sausage that wasn't cooked all the way. I just chomped right through it. I mean, I tried to give the breakfast ones another chance, and they're not my favorite. So in conclusion, the Mountain House ones taste better to me for dinners, lunches, the meals. The breakfast ones, they're not my favorite. And the mountain chili one, it was alright. It was just more healthy, granola healthy, if that makes any sense. Because the mountain chili, it was vegetarian, which is fine, I don't care. But there were some white pieces in there. It kind of looked like oatmeal. They didn't have a taste, but the texture was kind of like oatmeal-y taste, and I didn't expect that in a chili. So yeah. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you are, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It'll help our channel grow. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And in the description below, there is a link to our merch shop, so you can get some cool Wild Adventures merch. So thanks for watching. See you soon.
Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to subscribe to your channel, click over here. If you want to check out some more videos, click down there. If you want to check out our cool merch shop, go to the description below and click the link. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.